Hello everyone, this is Satvik and this video is regarding Mirai machine walkthrough. So this machine is available in Hackthebox. So let me show regarding that. So this is the machine guys and this is based on Linux. Okay, so you can try to solve this machine if you are having a VIP subscription, or else you can simply watch this video because this is a simple machine which focuses on many more things. And also guys, really thank you for all your support. Our channel has reached 2k subscribers and I'm really thankful to each and everyone who made your part in this channel. So guys, let's dive into the video. So guys, so I'm using Kali Linux. Okay, this is a custom Kali Linux. You can use anything of your choice like Paratois or any OS which you would be used for hacking. So let me connect to this VPN file. Okay, so every time whenever you're working on Hack the Box or Try Hack Me, they will provide you a VPN configuration file, an open VPN configuration file, which you can use to connect so that you can try that vulnerable machine. So right now I'm connecting to this guys, and here you can see the initialization sequence completed, so which means that we are done. Let me see the IP address, and you can see there is a new what you call an interface which is named as ton0. So this is generally given for what you can call like uh, VPN configuration. Okay, so if you can go here and we can find the IP address as 10.10.48. So whenever you get a machine's IP, first try to ping it. Okay, so you can see that we are able to ping it. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to do a simple nmap scans. Okay, so I'll show you what are the nmap scans that I do. Not scan, it scans. Like you need to do two different types of scans so that you can attain at most the information. So for time being, these are modified as one is a fast scan and one is a complex scan. Okay, so let me show you the fast scan. So the command is really simple hyphen. So let me complete the command and I will explain you what this command is all about. So guys, this is a, as I told you, this is a fast scan. Here what we'll be using is we'll be looking for the default scripts. There is something called nmap scripting engine which has some scripts which does some kind of thing, and also a -sc which is also used for looking into the versions of the service that are being running. Suppose if you take SSH, it will show you what is the service, what is the version of the particular SSH is running. Let me hit enter. So it would take a minimal time because it's only scanning for few first 10,000 ports, but the next scan which would take a little bit of time. Okay, but I had already scanned these guys, so let me show you, because the scan takes a little bit of time and I had done these things. So this is the result guys. Let me enlarge it a little bit, just a minute. I think it's already completed guys. You can see here, here you can see some of the services that our nmap, our basic nmap scan had identified. Is there is an SSH service which you can use for remote login. There is something called domain DNS is also there. DNS is also there, and also there is something like HTTP web server is running out there. So whenever you find web server is our main target, so let's go to this particular uh, IP and let's see what it is running. Let me open my, let me open a new tab. Let me paste the IP. There's nothing to see. Let me look into the source code. There's nothing to see. So let me do a simple derp scan or derbuster scanning. So let's see what we'll find, and in the meantime we'll run a complex scan. Okay, so complex scan is also simple. Nmap -t4 capital p n.n.n.48. You can also save these guys like nmap, sorry, complete.txt, but I had already done this, so I'm not gonna do that. So what it does is it will save into a file. So this is a complete scan, guys. So here we are providing the time, so that how much our nmap should wait so that it attains the response. Okay, hyphen a specifies for it does an OS scan, it performs hop scan, it performs a basic nmap scripting engine scan and everything. And hyphen p hyphen specifies that we are specifying to the nmap that we are ordering for 65,535 ports. Okay, so yeah, so that we can find more information, but our previous scan is only by default only looks for first 10,000 ports. But if we specify hyphen p hyphen, it's gonna scan all the 65,535 ports which a machine is having. Let's see what we are finding out there. We found a directory, guys. Let me open the link. Let's see what we are having over here. In the meantime, let's also see what our scan is getting out. Let that go on, guys. Let's see what this page is consisting of. And so I had already ran the scan so that I can show you. Let me zoom this a little bit, guys. Preferences, editor, font and spice. So guys, I think now it would be visible for you. So you can see this is a complete scan. Okay, so same, we found the same ports like SSH is running, DNS is running, HTTP is running, but we also found some additional ports like UPnP, and also HTTP is also running over 32,400 port. Okay, Plex media server. Okay, so we found some more information. Let's see whether we could use them or not. Okay, so let me close this thing. So guys, if you could see here, let me zoom in a little bit. So this is nothing but a Pi-hole interface. Okay, so whenever you get an interface like this on any something like any HTTP or HTTPS service, so first of all you need to do in CDFCs credential spraying, so which is like throwing out some default passwords. So it's really simple. Pi-hole default credentials, if you simply look into that, you can see that the username is pi and the password is raspberry. Okay, so this is Pi-hole is come based on Raspberry Pi. So let's try to log in and let's see what we are having over here. Let's try the Raspberry. Let's see what we are having. It's not there, hard black. Let me hit Control C, guys. And so what we'll do is, since we are also having an SSH, let's try to SSH into that. SSH pi at the rate of 10.10.10.48. Let's wait what's happening there, and let me provide the password. And right now we got the access to the machine, which is a basic machine. Let's see who are we. Who am I? We're a pi user. What is the present working directory? It's home pi. So let's see what we're having over here. We are having nothing, guys. Let's go to the desktop and let's see whether we could get a user file or not. So let me cat into the user.txt, and we found a hash. So you can submit that. Now what we need to do is we need to escalate our privileges. So whenever you are on a Linux machine, so the first and the foremost thing you need to do is you need to run a command called sudo hyphen space hyphen l. So this checks for what are the uh, things that you can run without the password by specifying sudo. But if you could see here, we can run each and everything as sudo with no password. So what we need to do is sudo su. So yes, we got root access without any permission or anything else. So let me go to the root directory, and we got a root.txt. Let me look what it's consisting of. It is saying that I lost my original root.txt. I think I have my backup on my USB stick. So basically what happened here is the root.txt file got manipulated, and there has been some sentence saying that it is available, there is a little bit of backup available in the USB stick. So if you look, if I do an ls, you can see something like media. So basically in Linux, the media directory consists of all these pen drives and stuff that are connected, like secondary storage devices are always available in this media folder. So let me navigate into that. Let's see what we're having over there. We are having a USB stick. So let me go to the USB stick, and here we find something like dammit.txt. So let's see what we are having in that. Damn it, sorry man, I accidentally deleted your files of the USB stick. So so you find if there's any way to get them back. So what happened here is this guy had deleted files in the USB stick. So basically the deleted files are always available in trash. So what you can do is find slash trash, sorry. So what I'm doing is I'm looking for all the folders which are having trash. There's a huge list out there. Let's see what we are getting over there. So guys, as specified, I tried to look into the trash directories, but I haven't found anything useful. You can see there is lots of things out there, but then I found a command line utility known as strings. Let me paste that command. So this strings command is going to extract all the strings, and this dev htp is the location where the pen drive is having is stored. Okay, so let me hit enter. Let's see what all the things we can find. So you can see these are all the things that we can, these are all the strings that we can find out there, and there is something a hash like this, and this is nothing but the hash. Okay, so this, so if you want you can look into more into the dev of this. Okay, so this is going to generally find out all the strings that are out there. uh, so that's it guys, so that's it for the Mirai's video. Hope this is I hope you find it really helpful, and this is a simple video out there. Okay, but as always I haven't specified the things. So or you can specify. So you can see there is a command like this. Okay, so you can see that this finds out all the things in the disk. Okay, you can also do, there are some various commands out there guys, but this is what I found and this is what I used. You can do check this out. So that's it guys for today. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you really find it helpful, make sure you like that, make sure you like this video and do subscribe for more amazing content like this. This is Satvik signing off.